Welcome to the CIELO QR portal. Within the CIELO QR portal, we'll show you how to create new QR codes, access reporting modules, and modify any existing QR codes you already have. To access the CIELO QR portal, you're going to go to portal.cieloconnects.com. And you're going to utilize your email address and password that you set up during the QR Wizard registration process. If you do not have an email and password assigned from the QR registration process, please contact customer success at cieloconnects.com to have one created for you. When you first log into the CIELO QR portal homepage, you'll be prompted with two modules, settings and reporting. These are broken down into existing data: activate, edit QR zone, generate new QR zone, modify QR settings, add and edit a site, add edit user, QR zone cleaning history report, QR zone feedback report, QR file access report, and QR red flag report. On the left-hand side is our QR home, which will always bring you back to this landing page. Next, we have our QR generator. This is where you can modify or create new and existing QR codes. Since we've already covered QR code creation in our registration wizard portion of the tutorial, we're now going to cover modifying existing QR codes. These are all the QR codes we've already created. As you can see, we have 18 unique zones: auditoriums, bathrooms, concessions, all assigned during the QR registration process. On the right-hand side, we have a couple of actions. We can regenerate a new QR code. We can modify or edit existing QR codes. And lastly, we can order and print QR codes. We're going to cover the edit and modify option. To edit or modify, you're going to pick the pencil icon. And we can see the QR codes we currently have available for us in the QR code generator. Each zone in the QR code generator can be modified or edited. The text here is fully HTML5 compatible. So if you have text in other languages, you can type it in and it will associate that text to the actual QR code. After modifying the existing zones for the text, we can also go ahead and edit and modify the logo. Once again, we do recommend choosing either PNG or .jpeg file for the logo. Once you've uploaded a logo, you can simply hit the upload button on the bottom right-hand corner. We can modify the coloring of our QR code by simply hitting the color option and selecting from our color gradient. And we can put in a direct text code. That way you can match the visual identity of your current location. And once you've selected your coloring, you can hit save. You can choose a description for your QR code. Since this location is in Miami and it's an auditorium, the QR generator has automatically assigned this description for it. Or we can modify it. Here we're going to call Miami Odd. We can also modify existing zones or URLs for your QR code. We can choose to make our QR code black and white or reset the QR code to the existing. Once you've modified the QR code itself, we can go ahead and generate those codes for later printing. Select the generate option, and you can see all the zones associated to this QR code. We've had 5 zones assigned to this particular location, so we're able to print the 5 associated QR codes. Auditorium 1 through 5 located in Miami. Once you're ready, you can simply hit the yes option to print. You can also have an option to save the file if you so choose. All the files can be used for later printing or later modification directly from the CIELO portal. Anytime you wish to regenerate a new code after you make an audit or modification, you can simply hit the regenerate option. And that will take you directly to the generation portion without having to go and edit. And lastly, we have the option to print and order QR codes. These will be able to link to a vendor, which you can use to print QR codes. Or you can simply print these out yourself or send the file directly to your printing venue of choice.